How to fix if you haven't set up purchase verification problem appears in Play Store. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your phone. Search Apps and Notification. Click on Apps and Notification. Then search for Google Play Store. Click on Google Play Store. Then force stop the app. After that, simply click on Storage and Cache, which is below Permission. Clear Cache and clear storage. After that, you can simply restart your device and then try it again. Your problem will be fixed. It won't show you haven't set up purchase verification in Play Store anymore. That's how you fix if you haven't set up purchase verification is showing up on Play Store. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.